Now, if you are an electrician or a DIYer who does wiring projects at home, you're definitely going to check out this 8-in-1 multi-purpose tool from GADO. It's definitely one of those tools that's going to be able to replace a whole bunch of others in your toolbox. First off, it's multifunctional, so you can strip, twist, crimp, cut, and even measure voltage all with this one unit. It's designed to handle wire sizes from 18 gauge down to 6. You can even open outer cable skins and separate wiring without having to reach for another tool. The blades are sharp, so cutting and stripping is smooth and precise. There's no struggling with dull edges or frayed wires, and the crimping function is reliable, giving you a strong, consistent connection every time. What makes this stand out is the built-in voltage detection system. You've got dual alarms for hot and neutral wires, so you can check live wires quickly before you start working without having to drag around a separate tester. And even though it's packed with features, it's small, compact, and feels solid in the hand. It's easy to control and stores away without taking up too much room in your bag or toolbox. So whether you're wiring an outlet, you're working on an automotive project, or you just need that one go-to tool for your electrical projects, this multi-purpose tool from GADO is a great choice. Thanks for watching.